Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about smart TV, and in today's video I will show you on how to add another YouTube account to your smart TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and come to the home page right here on my smart TV. If you have not downloaded and installed YouTube app on your smart TV, consider to download it from Play Store on your Google Smart TV. Having downloaded YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the YouTube icon right here. Having clicked on the YouTube icon, it takes you right here. Now you have different options to log in. So here, I want to add a Google account right here. So you can either add a Google account to open your YouTube app on your smart TV by your phone or sign in with a remote. So I'm going to go ahead and choose sign in with your remote right here. I'll go ahead and click on OK right here, and it's going to load up just like so. So here, sign in to YouTube. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and enter my Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Google account right here. I've entered my Google account. I'll go ahead and click on next. Then here we go. We have to enter the account password. So for that, I'll go ahead and make use of my keypad right here and enter the account password. I've entered a password. Go ahead and click on next. Successfully signing to your YouTube app with your remote on your smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.